Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to set up yum repository using locally mounted DVD in Alma Linux 9 operating system. So here you can see that I have enabled the optical drive and I am pointing the optical drive to Alma Linux 9.3 DVD ISO file, which is the latest one. Okay, so now I am going to start the virtual machine. So once you started the virtual machine, go to terminal, log in as a root user. So only root user can set up this yum repository. Okay. Now first step is I am going to /media directory. Under the media directory, I am creating one directory called alma9_dvd. Okay. So through this directory only, DVD ISO file system will be mounted. So before that, I am executing the command blkid, that is blkid command. So this will display all the list of block devices available with UUID. Okay. So before that, I am executing df-kh command in another terminal. So you can see that /dev/sr0 file system is pointing to Alma Linux 9 DVD. So same thing is also available under block ID. So copy this line. Okay, copy this line and paste in separate text editor. That is /dev/sr0 will have separate UUID. Okay, universal identifier. So using this unique universal identifier only, we are going to point under /etc/fstab. So add the lines as I shown here, UUID space /media space alma9_dvd space ISO 9660 space default space 0 space 0. That's it. Now I am going to execute the command mount-a and finally execute the command systemctl daemon-reload. So now all the file system will be mounted and you can verify that DVD ISO file is mounted under alma9_dvd directory. So file system is mounted successfully. Okay, now I am going to /etc/yum.repos.d directory. Under that you can see many .repo files are there. If you want the repo files, take the backup, otherwise you can delete it. So I am going to delete the repo files and I am going to create one new repo file which is pointing to local DVD alma9_dvd.repo. So add these lines. So note down these lines. Okay. So make sure that base URL you are pointing to correct folder and gpgkey is available. Okay, gpgkey also you need to point to correct file. So save the .repo file. I am going to execute some yum commands. So I am executing yum update. Yes, so yum update is executed successfully. So yum repo list enabled command will give you the list of repositories enabled. So you can see that DVD repository is enabled. So now I am going to verify the yum repository by installing httpd package. Yes, I can able to install the package from local yum repository. Okay, that's all about setting up yum repository from locally mounted DVD in Alma Linux 9 operating system. Make sure that you have provided the correct entries in .repo files. Okay.